The Pomodoro Technique is one of the most popular productivity methods in the world. Millions of students, professionals, and creators use Pomodoro timers to stay focused, avoid burnout, and make progress on difficult tasks. The method was created by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. As a student, he used a small, tomato-shaped kitchen timer to break work into short, focus sessions. Pomodoro is the Italian word for tomato. Most people don't struggle with focus itself. They struggle with starting. When your brain sees 3 hours of work ahead, the task feels overwhelming. A 25-minute Pomodoro session feels much smaller and easier to begin. The classic Pomodoro timer follows a simple structure. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, repeat 4 times, then take a longer break before starting the next round. The Pomodoro technique works because it creates a clear finish line. Instead of committing to an entire afternoon of work, you're only committing to a single focus session. Different tasks may require different timer formats. Many students prefer 25/5. Knowledge workers often use 50/10. Some people choose 45/15 for a balance between focus and recovery. There is no perfect timer. The best Pomodoro timer is the one that helps you stay focused and return consistently to your work. Experiment and find the rhythm that works for you. Ready to try it? This channel includes Pomodoro timers for study sessions, deep work, learning, and productivity. Choose a timer, start your first session, and see how much you can accomplish in the next 25 minutes.